I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage. And welcome to D-Day. That's right. Today we're talking about 3 of the 5 motorcycles that we're going to be selling in the collection because we're buying 1 motorcycle. And I'm super excited for the delivery of this. Stay tuned. If you guys aren't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. Bell notification is gonna give you future notification of this bike. And let me tell you, you're gonna wanna smash that bell button. But today we're talking about the 3 bikes that are currently up for sale here in the garage. Now, finally finished and complete the 2012 Hypermotard Evo SP 1100, all complete. I mean, this thing is just all balls. Quite impressed with how it turned out, but I don't know, just maybe not the bike for me, but it's up for sale. So if you guys are interested in the Hypermotard, we're gonna have a video coming out just right after this one that's going to be talking about and going over the final ride with this. Now, you guys know I've already kind of talked about, we do have the 2022 Multistrada V4S Radar Tour Package bike for sale. I think I've ridden it once since that video, but it's for sale. And well, we have 3 bikes here. You know I'm not selling that. You know I'm not selling that. And well, I've been talking about how much I hate that bike. That's right, the 2022 KTM Super Duke 1290R Evo is up for sale. So if you guys are interested in that, hit me up. But yeah, so we're clearing and making way for a new bike that's coming in. So let's get geared up. Let's get out on the road on the Hypermotard, and let's talk about why we're selling pretty much the whole collection. All right, guys, welcome back. We're out here in Pleasant Valley, out here in Vacaville, California. Unfortunately, I was going to take you guys out to the dam, but there's been a big landslide out there, so we're not able to get out there. So we're going to head out Pleasant Valley into Vacaville, but I wanted to show you guys a quick little view of the finally finished 2012 Ducati Hypermotard 1100 Evo SP full carbon fiber body. The new decal kit is on finally. The final, and then the Matrix steering damper is on finally. So, I mean, this thing is balls out. If you guys are interested in this bike and you guys are in the US, hit me up. Stay tuned. There will be a video out here in the next day or 2. But today we're going for a ride to talk about why I am selling everything and why I'm selling everything for possibly 1 bike. Now, let me explain myself a little bit on this bike. You know, I bought this bike for somebody, and well, somebody's not around anymore, and so yeah, I finally finished it, and I really like the bike. It's fun and all, but it's not the bike for me. I would rather my Hyper Naked or sport bikes. So this is up for sale along with the Ducati Multistrada. And that's probably a surprise to some of you. But again, the Multistrada was purchased for 2 up rides, and well, no more 2 up rides. So it was fun while it lasted, but it's going. So if you guys are interested in a Ducati Multistrada 2022, let me know. And then, there we go. And the Super Duke R, you guys know I've complained about that thing quite a bit. And I haven't ridden that thing in probably 6+ months. It's been sitting in the garage covered up. It's been sitting in the garage covered up. I took it to the track last month, and I didn't even take it out of the trailer.
Like I didn't even ride it, so. What's going on back here? It's like super busy. Usually there's not many people back here. So if you guys are interested in particular on any of those bikes, let me know. But the Hyper Motard is, it's just a fun bike, as you can see. And well, why I'm selling them all? Well, I have a brand new 2023 BMW M1000R being delivered within the next couple days. And well, stay tuned, because we're gonna have a full build series on that thing. We've got Brentoon on board with it. We're gonna do a full Brentoon tune on that thing. We've got Manny with Moto Million, and we've been talking to him about getting some parts. So when he gets back from Austin, we're gonna get in touch with him about getting some stuff shipped out. And stay tuned. So we're selling everything for another Sport Naked, the M1000R. Now, I know that you guys know me from the S1000R, and you S1000R guys, thank you for all the support. You guys have definitely hit me up and showed a lot of support for the M1000R. And I was really on the fence about the M1000R because, I don't know, I really like the non-shift cam motor. But I'm gonna really try to hope for the best and see how it wakes up. The gearing's a bit different on the M1000R, so we're gonna see what that M1000R is gonna do for us. My S1000R isn't going anywhere, actually. I'm gonna keep that thing. I love that thing, and generally, when I would buy like the same bike, but you know, if I would have bought a V4 Street Fighter V4 SP, you know, I would have sold mine. But this is a little different occasion, because I love that S1000R so much. So we'll see what happens to that thing. I don't see myself selling it, but I don't know. There might be someone watching this video that might get a hold of it. We'll have to talk about that down the road. But yeah, and so that's what's happening with the bikes. A little bit of an update while we've got a little bit more ride to go. A little bit of an update with me. You know, just kind of doing my thing, man. Business is really, really slow, as we know. The economy and what's going on right now, it's just kind of affecting everybody. So it's given me a little bit too much downtime, to the point where I've just kind of fallen into a slump, so to speak, which really sucks. But I'm making it all happen. We have fire season coming up, so we should be getting out on fires soon with California Fire Support. And of course, now that the weather's dried up, the blasting lab will start taking off, and got some stuff booked there. So it's just been, you know, the last 7-8 months. You guys know I kind of left YouTube, and I've been away for a little while, and I've been kind of scarce, and really appreciate the people that have reached out to me to make sure I'm doing okay, and everything's good. It's just, you know, it's, I would say, the one worst depression times of my life, I guess you could say. And it's just been hard. So but I want to get back out here and I want to get on the road for you guys, and I want to do some videos, and I want to do some DIYs. You guys have been begging me for some DIYs. So the M1000R series will be a full build series, DIY build series. So if you guys are getting an M1000R, or if you guys are getting an S1000R, or if you guys have an S1000R, and there's things that I haven't already done DIY videos for, stay tuned, because it's all gonna make sense here in the future. So we're gonna go up here and wrap this video up for you guys. This thing sounds pretty damn good, you have to admit it. I'm not a big dry clutch guy, but when the clutch is out, and we're just running the exhaust and really working this thing, it sounds just amazing. So right over the street here, because we're gonna head back down and talk about all the little features and all the little goodies that we have on this Hypermotard 1100 Evo SP. But let's see. Listen to that clutchity clutch, clackety clack. But it sounds real good. So Hypermotard back here, Pleasant Valley, beautiful. This, my favorite time of the year is right now out here. But you can see why we're going to have a crazy fire season this year. We've just gotten so much rain. All of our reservoirs are filled up now, which is great. But yeah, so thank you guys for all your support. Thank you guys for all your love. From the bottom of my heart, it means everything to me, you guys. And thank you. Stay tuned, please. Stay tuned. We've got some stuff coming up. And I want to just kind of keep this ball rolling with this channel. So show some support, comment down below, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. But thank you again. Stay tuned for the in-depth ride of the 2012 Hypermotard 1100. And again, remember, we've got a Super Duke R available for sale and a Multistrada for sale. So if you guys are interested, hit me up. Otherwise, you'll see them on Cycle Trader and Facebook Marketplace. But thank you guys so much again, and we'll see you next week. Bye, guys.